Your chest voice is basically your speaking register. Right now, I'm speaking in my chest voice. It's natural. It's kind of lower in your range, but not the lowest possible. It's very conversational. It vibrates in your largest cavity, your chest cavity. When you put your hand right here, say, hello, you can feel it vibrating in your chest. Your turn. Yes, that's your chest voice. In order to create these lower pitches, your vocal cords need to vibrate more slowly. When you're speaking in your chest voice register, your larynx is in its resting position. Your vocal cords are in their shortest position. They're not stretched at all. So that when they come together with more force because they are heavier and shorter. The TA, or thyroarytenoid muscles, which go right through the center of your vocal cords, are the main control muscles for your chest voice register.